Do you want to know about Korean food? Yummy? Sammy!
Hi guys, this is Sammy. Today we are going to make 김치치즈전, which is very yummy and easy to make. 오늘은 맛있고 만들기도 쉬운 김치치즈전을 만들어 볼 거예요. 전 is like Korean pancake. 전은 한국의 팬케이크 같은 거예요. People like to have 전, especially in a rainy day. 한국인들은 비 오는 날 특히 전 먹는 걸 좋아해요. I think people want to have something hot and crispy in a rainy day because it's easy for people to get wet or feel chill in that day. 제 생각에는 사람들이 비 오는 날에 몸이 젖기도 쉽고 춥게 느껴지기 쉬우니까 뭔가 뜨겁고 바삭한 걸 먹고 싶어 하는 것 같아요. Koreans also prefer drinking 막걸리 with 김치전 or 파전 when they have friends gathering or something. 한국인들은 친구들끼리 모이거나 할 때 막걸리에 파전 먹는 것도 좋아하죠. 막걸리 is Korean traditional alcohol made of rice, by the way. 막걸리는 쌀로 만든 한국 전통 술이거든요, 참고로. Alright, shall we make 김치치즈전 today? 270 grams kimchi, 4 tablespoons kimchi juice or kimchi liquid. What do you call that? You guys tell me. 50 grams onion, 30 grams Korean onions, 50 grams potato, 1 cup flour, 1 cup very cold water, 70 grams grated cheese, and a half tablespoon sugar. Slice the onion. It looks too much, so I'm gonna use only half. Chop the green onion. Slice the potato and chop the stick. You can use your slicer too if you want. I'm changing the cutting board for kimchi. Chop it. It doesn't have to be too small. Make sure that you use fermented kimchi because sour kimchi can make yummy kimchijeon. Flour and water first. And let's mix all ingredients. Oh, I almost forgot to put kimchi juice. Heat it up over high heat. 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Put generous amount of oil for the crispy 전. Spread it nice. About 30 seconds later, shake it, shake it, shake it. After 2 minutes to pull the batter, it's showtime. I think I'm quite good at flipping. Add 1 more cooking oil. Let's add cheese on the top. But please don't too much cheese. Less than 40 grams cheese for 1 pancake will be good. Cover up about 30 seconds. Turn to the medium-high heat. When the cheese is about to melt, add a little bit of batter just for covering up the cheese. Flip it over again. Looks nice. 1 minute after flipping. Time to transport. It's fantastic. I'm gonna let you know another way to make kimchichi즈전. It's all the same, but the last part is a little bit different. Here comes the different part. Flip it twice in a row. Isn't it beautiful? Since I have makgeolli, I'm gonna have kimchijeon with makgeolli. Oh my god. 대박. 대박 means fantastic in Korean. Outside is crispy and inside is soft. The juicy kimchi is very nice. And the cheese flavor, wow, perfect. Enjoy your dish and see you soon. 또 만나요.